Hey friends, are you facing this issue where the Microsoft Photos app is missing? Which means when you try to open a photo with Open With, you don't see the Windows Photo app anywhere in the list. Even more, when you search for photos, you don't notice any Photos app here. So the reason is that a third party software product must have deleted it from your system, or maybe something must have happened. So all you need to do is search for the word Windows PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane for Windows PowerShell. This will open the elevated PowerShell window. Now we have a command here on the Microsoft Answers forum. I will share this command in the description section of this video. All you need to do is copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds for the command to work. Now we'll check again. Right click on this, open with, and Windows Photo is right here. Other than this, if I search for photos in the Windows search bar, it will appear here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section of this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Why? Because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.